Welcome to this Tech Security Alert channel, and one of the things I wanted to talk about in this video is app updates on smartphones. In this case, we're going to concentrate on Android phones. There's a lot of Android phones out there. Each Android phone has different apps and different software installed, pre-installed. But for the most part, everybody has apps through what is the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store is the place where apps are usually downloaded. Now, there's something that you need to do with these apps. Usually it's done automatically on most devices, but just in case, to verify if everything is all right, it's nice sometimes to go and manually check it out. Android apps, because Android as an operating system has updates, and a lot of it has to do with security. But apps themselves also have updates, and that's separate from the system. And these apps will fix bug fixes, will have bug fixes and fix problems. But a lot of the apps also have security flaws. So this is why it's often a good idea to check it out. How do you do this? Well, on your phone, you got to locate your Google Play Store. Once you're there, on the upper left, you'll see three lines that are in a vertical manner, which often called a hamburger menu. When you click there, you will see that there's my apps and games. And then you will have these updates that are going to be checked. And the phone itself, or the tablet that you're using, will tell you that there are some updates for some apps. And you can click the Update All button to actually update the apps. It might be a good idea to check if you use your phone or tablet a lot on mobile data. A lot of apps don't update on mobile data, or a lot of the settings or the apps will just wait until you connect to Wi-Fi. So if you use your device a lot on mobile, what happens is these apps wait until you connect to Wi-Fi to update. So if you've been mostly on mobile, you can check that also. Connect to a Wi-Fi if you want, because this update process of apps might take a long time. But if you want to stay safe with your phone, if you want to stay safe with your devices, make sure that you update all of your apps all the time that you use on your phone. And you know what? It's not a bad idea to remove everything you just don't use. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.